What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on PLTR stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And guys, today's video will not be as usual because we have a second assassination attempt on Donald Trump, and definitely Palantir might be affected by this news, and everything I will show you in just several minutes. But for now guys, take a look right here. This is the video that I made on Palantir just 4 days ago. Let me show you more thoroughly. It was made on September 11th of this year, when the price of this asset was at $34.76, and on pre-market hours we had an attempt to hit lower price target at $33.68. And my main assumption at this very point was that we completed or almost completed its movement to the upside, and that is why we have to wait for the retracement. And the retracement on the grand scheme of things might be confirmed by the breakout below this previous swing low. And so far guys, take a look right here. We had an attempt to go lower, but instead of a downtrend, we again have an attempt to hit a bit higher target. And I have to admit that from the point where I made my previous video, this asset gained, let me show you, not more than just 3.5%, and it is not the profit that you might anticipate in your trade, and that is why guys, I have to say that I still stand on my position that we have to see the retracement. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that guys, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that guys, and it is the most lucrative offer. For now there is not so many people inside the Discord group, that is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you, and it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month, and I think it is quite fair deal. So guys, and take a look again on its price action. I have to say that in my opinion one of the crucial news for entire today's market is the second assassination attempt on Donald Trump. And let me show you that the first attempt was made on July 13th, right here. And Palantir right after that. And by the way, guys, we have a lot of similarities in between these two news, because both of them were made on Sundays. And right after that, the price of Palantir went a little bit higher, but then it had a sideways movement and then it went lower. And in my opinion, we are pretty much at the same spot, but everything I will show you in my technical analysis. And for now, let's take a look on its fundamental news. Unfortunately, we don't have any mention of assassination attempt that might be related to Palantir stock price. Just yesterday, Fortune wrote this article that Palantir is totally misunderstood on Wall Street and shares will soar, Bank of America says. And this article is related to the price target that was set by Bank of America. As you can see, on September the 10th, Bank of America boosted the price target of Palantir from $30 all the way up to $50. And I have to admit that in general I pretty much agree with this price target, but we will not reach this target overnight, and it will not be a straight movement to the upside. On top of that guys, if you take a look again on this forecast, on the consensus analyst price target, you can see that in general it's set at about $26.79, which implies almost 25% of downside potential from our current range. And I have to admit that again, if you take a look on the same forecast from tip ranks, you can see that the average price target is almost the same at $27.08, and we have mixed ratings. 4 analysts out of 15 suggest to buy, 5 suggest to hold, and 6 suggest to sell. And guys, in general, I have to admit that these price targets are nothing else but the vision of different analysts, and the consensus analyst price target is quite unique thing, because think of it like a rubber band. The higher the price goes away from the average price, the more likely it will land somewhere here, and the lower it goes, again the rubber band will push the price back to the average, to the middle line. And that is why, guys, you have to keep in mind this price target. But at the same time, if you take a look on the news from Yahoo Finance, we cannot see any mention of the unsuccessful assassination attempt on Donald Trump. And I have to say that I'm a bit confused. Yes, we have the major news about the Fed rate decision, and we have 3 days till it happen. But guys, if you take a look on ABC News, you can definitely find the news about assassination attempt right here, and definitely you can find it on CNN News. So, and I have to admit that Palantir is the unique company. It has a lot of contracts with the government, US government, and definitely this type of actions that are extremely important for US nation in general might affect the Palantir price. And I think it will affect it in the long run, but as for the upcoming days, we might not see much higher price targets for Palantir. That is why, guys, let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, from the point where I made my previous video, this asset, as I already mentioned, gained about 3.5% to its current price. And as you can see on pre-market hours, Palantir is up by basically by 0.5%. And if you take a look on indicators, by the way, we are on 4 hours time frame, you can see that the momentum, according to MACD indicator, is pretty much neutral. And we are about to see the crossover of these 2 lines, and when the crossover happens, the price will change its sentiment. The price action will have a trend reversal, as you can see right here. And on top of that, guys, if you take a look on RSI, we have lower highs on RSI with the higher highs on the price action. And on top of that, guys, in general, we don't have any retracements that happened basically from the beginning of May that broke the previous swing lows. And this means we are at the end of its cycle, and we have to see lower price action for Palantir in upcoming weeks. That is why, guys, if this asset goes lower, the confirmation of its major downtrend will be the breakout below this bottom, because according to Elliott wave theory, we cannot have the retracement that is deeper than the initial movement to the upside. And that is why when this breakout below $29.7 mark happens, it will be a confirmation of its downtrend, and most likely we will break even the next swing low. And I will definitely do another update in order to show you its potential path to these ranges. And for now, I think that's all. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.